In today's video, I'm going to walk you through for one of my artists. We're going to consider everything step by step. If you haven't watched the video that I started making this video, the link will be in the description box. You can also watch the video that will pop up on the screen. I use this to make this particular beat, all right? And it's super simple. What we're going to do is to break down everything. So guys, let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment. I subscribed, all right? So guys, we are in FL Studio now. The tempo for this particular beat was 140, as you can see, and I started with this chord progression coming from flex. I actually use flex, general MIDI, and you can see brightness. I'm using this particular strings from flex, so let's listen to that one alone. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Nothing crazy. If you don't know how to develop chord progressions, I have a full video taking you through step by step. Make sure you go to my channel and watch how to develop chord progression if you're a beginner. Alright, so right after that, I added this particular melody also from flex. I use flex for everything over here. So general MIDI library, you can see coupled HPS, all right? All the tones are coming from flex, and this is how it sounds. Let's listen to that. That's super simple. So we're gonna add that one. Let's listen. That's simple. Next thing I added was this particular melody also from flex. Let's look at the tone mobile synth plug, and I'm using this synth plug bubble. Everything is coming from flex. Let's listen to this. That's super simple. So let's add that one. Alright guys, right after that, I also introduced this. Also coming from flex. As you can see, broken clash. So I'm gonna add that one to the rest. So right after this, I was okay with the melodies and I wanted to bring in the drums. So I came up with this particular bass, all right? 808 also coming from flex. I use flex for everything over here, so you can see mobile tune 808 bass. I'm using this 808 synth driven. Now let's listen to that one alone. This is how it sounds. Make sure you are using good headset so that you can actually hear it well. Now let's add that. Alright, so right after that, I brought in the hi-hat. Okay, this is the hi-hat. As you can see over here, it was simple. Don't do things crazy. Nothing crazy over here. Simple hi-hat. Alright, so guys, let's add that one. Change to song. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. Okay, so the next thing I introduced was the clap. All right, so this was the clap, normal clap, nothing crazy. It's super simple. Now let's add that one. Give the video a like if it helps you. Alright guys, so you know the last thing I added was the kick, and this was the kick. Alright, that was also simple, nothing crazy. Let's listen to the kick alone. It mostly comes in at a certain point. Alright, that's super simple. Then guys, over here I also introduced another 808. Okay, but I've muted this for some reasons, but I'm gonna play it for you to listen. Let me change to padding. So now guys, let's listen to this simple arrangement.